and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video we are going to talk about make one left. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll just knit my first 2 stitches. Then to get started with our make ones. So all of the make ones use this bar that is located between the 2 stitches that you are working. For this reason, a make one cannot happen on either end of the work. It must happen between 2 stitches. So you see that? There's a bar right here between our stitches. Alright, now for a make one left. We take that bar and we wrap it from back to front around the knitting needle. That means we have more of a gap in the front and it's a little tighter where that crosses in the back. Now, we work this as if we're to knit through the back loop. That means that we take our right hand needle, go from top to bottom into that loop, wrap our yarn around our right needle, take the needle out, and slip the stitch off. So again, we've created a make one left. I'll knit one more, demonstrate one more make left, wrap from back to front, and just knit through the back loop. I'll knit one more, and one more make left, wrap from back to front, and knit through the back loop. There you go. That is the make one left. If you have any questions, go ahead and go back and replay this at a slower speed. Leave a comment down below. If you like this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell if you'd like notifications when we upload new knitting tutorials. And I hope to see you very soon. Happy knitting!